What's up, Weld Gang fam? Weld Gang, baby. Let's start this video off by introducing myself. My name is Pablo. I'm a specialty welder. I've been welding for, I don't know, more than 10 years for sure. I'm working with a specialty company. I don't want to say the name, but y'all know when you work for a specialty company, you don't just do welding. You got to help out where help is needed. So today I'm in the rack, probably 80 feet in the air, and I'm gonna be helping. When they fly the tubes in, I'm gonna be guiding them so they go to the section which is the side, the front side, or whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'm gonna give y'all some shot of the tube flying in. They fly in sections, so we got to make sure that they come in smoothly and that they don't get caught on nothing, because there's a lot of stuff they can get caught on. But yeah, I'm excited for this first video. If I mess up, my bad. I'm trying to give y'all new welders, our welders that never have been in the heaters, trying to show y'all a little bit of my experience, so the day y'all do get in a heater, y'all are not just blindsided and like, damn, what are they doing? What's going on? Pretty easy. It's hard work, but y'all stay tuned for this journey, man. I'm glad y'all are here. Subscribe if you haven't, because I got a lot of videos coming out. I'm gonna get welding. It's all 100% X-ray welding. Got some good welders out here. I'm not the best. Don't claim to be the best. Hey, I'm still learning if that's how you want to take it. But yeah, I've been a rig welder. I've worked new constructions. I've been on the pipeline. I've done it all, man. Now I'm in the heaters, specialty company, and I love it because you ain't got to shave on this one. So gotta let the little beard grow. You know what I'm saying? Most of the time you gotta be clean shaven because you gotta wear a fucking respirator all the goddamn time. But this company's pretty laid back. I'm not gonna say the name. Yeah, so y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get this video started. Once they fly the tubes in sections, I'm gonna be just guiding it to make sure it flows along, because the way it works is you fly the tubes from one end to the other. So we're gonna start on the front side and work our way to the back side, or side to side, whatever you want to call it. I thought this would be fun, showing y'all how it's done. This is a whole retube, so it's not a partial, it's not repair. They retube this whole side of the heater. So I'm gonna just record my little journey, and then later on record some welding, just show you how it works out. But yeah, y'all stick around for my first video. Let's see how it goes. Look how high up I am, pretty high. It's gonna be fun, baby. It's gonna be a fun day. Let's get it. Y'all stay tuned, man. They come the first set of tubes. Slow and easy, baby. Slow and steady. We're gonna get them in here. Then we hook them up to the tugger. Then the operator on the tugger is gonna start pulling it in, reeling it in like a fish, baby. There they come. All right, so the new tubes didn't clear the old tube, so he has to cut them off a 1/4 inch. That way they can roll in here perfect. More downtime, more time to chill. Part of the game, baby. We'll get them in here though. All right, we got the first one in. Those are the welds right there. Sliding in the second piece. So it's pretty slow, man. You gotta have some patience. Slow boogie, slow boogie. So look, check this out, you guys. This is the heater. These are the tubes that we weld. Look how red hot they get. They expand. That's why you gotta weld 100% X-ray. They're used to heat up to make whatever process they make in the refinery. Look. You can feel the heat. These things are hot. And the material's iconel 3525, so that material's so expensive and it's made to expand and it withstands that heat. You're talking, man, that thing will melt you like ASAP. So that's why these welds gotta be 100% X-ray, and they don't allow not even a fisheye, nothing. Because any little thing, there's no tolerance. It's severe cycle. Any little thing can cause failure, and they don't want that. So that's why they pay the money they pay us. But yeah, pretty cool. You can feel the heat, hot. So when it's cold outside, you already know where I'm at if it gets slow. Look at the view. Plant life, baby. It's slow right now. We're just chilling, waiting, making money on this OT, baby. Where else they gonna pay you $85 an hour to chill? Come on. Got my little chair. If you're a welder, you gotta have that chair, baby. So whenever you time to kick back and chill, just don't go to sleep, because you'll get fucking fired on the spot. This is what you don't do if you're in the refinery. Dropped his AirPod down there. Damn it, boy. Ah, on your dick. Come on. Well, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. Catch you on the next one. We'll have a lot more welding, a lot more arc shots. But yeah, we only got 3 sections in today. Y'all stay tuned. Come on.